Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today AP Deecet Part B Physics. Previous day links are provided in the description box. Please do check. And anyone, please do post in the comment section yes or why in order to know how many of you are watching physics video. Those who all are watching physics videos, please do post yes in the comment box. Let us move on toward class. Today class. The quantity that remains constant when Earth revolves around the Sun is angular momentum. First, you could see in the diagram. The middle one is, suppose take middle one as Sun and the surrounding one is Earth. Then it means the objects of tendency to continue to rotating or revolving around a specific axis is known as angular momentum. The things that does not change is m mass, v velocity, and r is position vector. The product of these three gives angular momentum. So angular momentum is the quantity that remains constant when Earth revolves around the Sun. Second one, thermodynamic variable defined by first law of thermodynamics is. What is that thermodynamic variable defined by first law of thermodynamics? Temperature. Temperature is the implicity defined as intensive state property that determines the internal energy of the system. That means here in first law of thermodynamics, the temperature is defined as internal energy. Third one, the force between two electrons separated by distance d varies as. They are asking the relationship between force and distance. This is taken from Coulomb's law. The electrostatic force and the distance. Formula F is equal to k E square by d square, where k is the Coulomb's constant. So the force between two electrons separated by a distance is inversely proportional to the d square, that is square of the distance. Let us see the next question. Stars are twinkling due to. Why do the stars in the sky twinkle? Due to which phenomena is responsible for twinkling of stars? Is refraction. What is refraction? The bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another different optical density caused by change in speed. You could see in the prism below when it is coming from prism to outside third line, then it is the red line is moving away from the normal. That phenomena is known as refraction. So refraction is the phenomenon that is responsible for stars twinkling. Other examples are this happens in prism, this happens in lenses of human eyes, used for human eyes. This happens is in optical fibers as well, etc. Let us see the fifth one. Strain energy per unit volume is equal to. They are asking the formula. First of all, to know about this, you need to know stress and strain. What is meant by strain? Refers to the force, pressure exerted on a body, often causing deformation. That is, when some force is applied, the body will change its shape. Stress is the internal restoring force per unit area that develops within the material when an external deforming force is applied to it. For this example is a rubber ball. When you compress it, again it will restore, or an elastic rubber band. When you stretch it, again it will restore to its original form. That is stress. So finally, strain per unit volume is equal to stress into strain by 2, or half into stress into strain is the answer for the asked formula. So hope you all liked the video. Please do comment yes or why in the comment section so I would know how many of you are watching physics. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you for watching guys.